Respected guardians and students, Assalamu alaikum. Again I come back one formula with one example. Let's go start today's class. Today we will learn completing a square. Okay, completing a square. Okay, this is the O-level math D4023. This is very important topic for O-level math D4023. Completing the square formula. Welcome to my channel Teaching Method with Shathi Miss. So let's go start today's class. Today we will learn completing a square. So what is completing the square? What is the completing a square? Completing the square is a method used to transform a quadratic expression into a perfect square trinomial. It helps in solving quadratic equation, graphic parabolas, converting the vertex from and deriving the quadratic formula. Okay, so let's go next page. So general form is if a is 1, so that's mean formula is s square plus bx plus c is equals to x plus b by 2 whole square, that's mean b square by 4 minus c. So we can use here this formula by this identities a plus b whole square, that's mean x here a and b here, that's mean b. So a plus b whole square formula is this one, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So same here, s square formula 2 and a for this one x and b for b and b square mean b square. So if a is not equal 1, if a is not equal 1, factor out a first and then complete the square. So let's see one example. Example, convert x square plus cx plus 5. Okay, this one first step, take half of 6, that's mean 3, then a square it 3 square mean 9. So just we see this one s square 6x plus 5. Just a thing about a plus b whole square formula. Okay, then ki s square plus formula is 2, a mean x and b mean ki 3. So that is ki 3 to the 6x and we have to matching here 6x. Then b mean 3 whole square. Okay, we get it 3 whole square more than here, so that's why we subtract here 3 whole square and plus 5. Okay, fine. Now this is full formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that's mean a plus b whole square. A mean x here and b mean 3. Okay, so a plus b whole square and this one 3 whole square mean minus 3 whole square mean 9 and plus 5. That's why we get here x plus 3 whole square plus a minus, so that's mean minus 4. That's so easy, it's simply just think about this formula a plus b whole square, otherwise nothing. আর কিচ্ছু তোমাদেরকে চিন্তা করতে হবে না, জাস্ট তোমরা থিঙ্ক করবা a plus b whole square. If plus here, so think about plus formula. A plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square and a minus b whole square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That's it. Okay, again I repeat this one, no problem. So why use completing the square? Solve quadratic equation easily, convert to vertex from this one and graph parabolas and derive the quadratic formula. Okay, so next we again use this formula. Okay, s square plus 6x plus 5. Again we will do it. আমরা আবার এটাকে করব ভালো করে এক্সপ্লেন করার জন্য। সো ফার্স্টে আমাদেরকে এই ফর্মুলাটা ইউজ করতে হবে। দেখো আমি আবার সুন্দর করে তোমাদেরকে ডিসক্রাইব করতেছি। a প্লাস বি হোল স্কোয়ার আইডেন্টি অর ফর্মুলা ইজ a স্কোয়ার প্লাস 2ab প্লাস b square. So think about here, a square mean s square here. Now use formula 2. A mean x and b mean just have to matching this one 6. Okay, 6x. So we apply here 3. So 3 to the 6x. দেখো এটা কিন্তু মিলে গেছে। Next, s square plus 2ab plus b square. b square mean 3 whole square. b square mean 3 whole square. সো 3 হোল স্কোয়ার আমরা এক্সট্রা এখানে নিয়েছি, দ্যাটস ওয়াই আমরা এটা মাইনাস করবো, মাইনাস 3 স্কোয়ার অ্যান্ড প্লাস 5 পুট ডাউন। ওকে, নাও দিস ইজ ফর্মুলা a স্কোয়ার প্লাস 2ab প্লাস b স্কোয়ার ফর্মুলা। a স্কোয়ার প্লাস 2ab প্লাস b স্কোয়ার ফর্মুলা ইজ a প্লাস b হোল স্কোয়ার। সো জাস্ট আমরা ফর্মুলা অ্যাপ্লাই করবো। a mean x here and b mean 3 here. Okay, so that's why a plus b whole square formula is here. And now calculate minus 9 plus 5. So x plus 3 whole square or plus a minus 9 থেকে 5 minus, so that's mean 4. That's it. This is the answer. So easy. So you can try in your home. Any problems, so comment me. Okay, so today's class is over. If you wanna be top in your class, so watch my video, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to share. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.